This is the brief on fluid dynamics concepts, divergence, vorticity, and momentum. We're breaking down some key fluid mechanics ideas, looking at both a technical problem with a constant density fluid and an interactive tool that shows flows that either conserve volume or genuinely rotate. First, let's talk about verifying volume conservation through divergence. The source material gives us this fluid mechanics problem, right? And the very first thing we have to do is check that its velocity field is divergence-free. This is so important because a divergence-free flow is the mathematical proof that the fluid isn't expanding or compressing. It's holding its volume steady. Second, you have to understand the difference between just moving in a circle and, well, truly spinning. Our simulation tool contrasts two modes, rigid body rotation and an irrotational vortex. And here's the crucial part. The irrotational vortex looks like it's spinning, but it has zero vorticity. The particles orbit, but they don't spin internally. The rigid body rotation, on the other hand, has real, uniform vorticity. That's true local spin. Finally, we get to momentum. This is a huge focus. The technical problem actually asks us to compute the total momentum inside a specific cube, but the interactive tool helps with this too. It lets us do real-time momentum tracking for the X, Y, and Z components, so you can see exactly what the flow state is at any moment. So, understanding these concepts, divergence for volume, vorticity for that internal spin, and how we calculate total momentum is just fundamental for grasping the dynamics of any fluid field.